All right, it's been a long time since I have filmed a car wash. This car has not been washed since January of last year when I visited the Ryko Soft Gloss. Oh man, was that a Max? In Munster, Indiana, off of Ridge Road in Calumet. But we're here at Family Express in DeMotte in the Roseland area. This used to be Ed and Ma's Laserwash. There was a Laserwash 4000 in here. It's a great system, and I was hoping to get it one more time before this happened. So anyways, the Family Express this is a part of is right back there, and I had a feeling that this was coming. So in typical Family Express fashion, they replaced this with a Mark VII Choice Wash XT. And I'm gonna roll up here so we can see all of our wash options. There's an 18, 16, 12, and 9. And since this thing hasn't been washed in almost one whole year, like not washed at all, not hand washed, not machine washed, only thing this thing's gotten is rain. We're gonna go for that $18 wash right there. So, in typical Family Express fashion, we have their same old pay station. I need to get my card out here. Oh, iOS has the pause option now. I'm gonna use that. I'll resume the recording here. Single wash. 18. Now we're gonna go for the brush because this needs to be scrubbed. Now we're gonna pay. Yes, there is someone in there right now. So we're gonna pause this and resume it when it's our time. So I'm not sure what we're waiting on here. I haven't seen the machine make its way back. Oh, here it is right there as I say that. Looks like he's getting his wax right now. And then, so it should be a couple more minutes until we get here because it's gonna rinse. And then it'll do another pass of the rinse, and then should get the dryers and we should be good to go in. They added a vending machine here when it became a Family Express. It's got your little pine tree air fresheners and your Armor All wipes and some wipe down cloths. I do believe they replaced all the equipment in the manual bays as well. There's 3 of them over there. And occasionally there is an attendant on duty at this one. So Family Express took this over and seems to have put a lot of effort into operating this. Hopefully this stays a nice wash. I've been in this before and it did a pretty good job. It's just with Family Express, they as these washes age, they don't seem to maintain them very well. So we'll see if that trend is different here since this one typically has an attendant, but I'm gonna pause again. That machine should go forward, might come back one more time, and then we'll get dryers. All right, so the dryers just kicked on here. They should be rolling out, and then we'll roll in. These dryers are different. They're not the typical Mark VII. Well, they are Mark VII dryers, but it sounds like Mark VII changed the motor. So we should have this gate lift up here. Or door, rather. Pay station still says to wait. It should reset shortly. Oh, he's not nearly far enough for us to reset yet. It's done telling them to drive forward. Drive forward, and here rolls the gate. And we've got the drive forward. So here we go. Mark VII Choice Wash XT. Get our undercarriage to start. is my favorite buzzer of all time. So, here we go. Mark VII Choice Wash XT. Start with a little bit of high pressure soap. Into tri-foam. It actually covered the car fantastically. And I'll do the wipers and go to this side because the driver's side needs to be washed. The washer fluid nozzle does not work on the driver's side anymore. And here we come with the top brush. See how this thing profiles. Lift it up to let the front brushes do their thing. Back down we go. Watch it come across the right side here. So as last time, the left brush isn't making a lot of contact, the right brush is. So they almost need to adjust the sensing on that left side, and this is a problem when I was in this wash earlier. And we'll see if it can effectively profile the vehicle coming forward as well. It did not do so well when I was in this wash a couple weeks ago. Neither side brush really doing a great job. I just heard it flip that antenna up top there. Yeah, I didn't do a great job profiling the front of the vehicle. The windshield on the way back, still got a spot right there. But you know, again, this vehicle has not been cleaned in about a year, so pretty tough challenge for this. We do have a stuck LED light bar. Here comes some wax. Nothing beats waxed dirt. I believe we get a high pressure rinse next. Yep. Another high pressure rinse. As it goes all the way to the back of the bay. Now should be a nice coating of Rain-X. I'm gonna want that on the windshield, so I am not gonna run the wipers here, especially since this washer nozzle does not work. You get a spot-free rinse. We are definitely gonna need another pass of spot-free water, and I do believe it gives us another pass as we go forward one more time. Yes, it does. We should get our dryers right after this. And again, listen to the motors. They sound different. Very typical Mark VII motors. They're more in line with the Max Airs, but they still do a good job. It's the design of these dryers that are just fantastic. You can see the photo sensor there for the dryers. No timer. That's not to say there isn't a hidden timer somewhere. They're entering behind us. I do think I could have put the photo sensor after. So you'd be able to get the back of the vehicle a little bit better. But we're done here. So you can see the 3 manual bays have the back doors closed right now, so if you were to pull in, you'd have to back out. But they painted it, added some exterior touches, the new fascia around the top, and man, did we beat the rush here. So yeah, Family Express Choice Wash XT in DeMotte, Roselawn area. Thank you for watching.